All right, we have another crazy creation behind us. 2025 Rolls Royce Cullinan with a full 1016 Industries wide body kit. And this is the black badge carbon fiber. We went a little extreme on this car. As we always do, we like to change it up because what we do, others like to do a year, a few months later, but we like to, change up the game. And this one really stirs it up again. As you can see, it is a full satin pearl white car. We wrapped it. This used to be a black car, and now it's completely satin pearl white, which is one of my favorite colors. We did my Range Rover in this color. Used to be my all-time favorite. As you can see, the satin pearl white makes it look extremely elegant and also like futuristic. Pretty crazy. As you can see, everything's wrapped. Door handles, key slot, the body kit. But really, the biggest, coolest factor of this car are the wheels. 26-inch RDB zero wheels with a step lip. This is 26-inch with a step lip. You will not see this ever. It's wild. The back is a 5-inch lip, step lip, 26-inch. For the car wheel industry guys, if you guys know what's up, crazy. As you can see, the bubble look from 1016 looks insane in the satin pearl white. You got black badge carbon throughout the front with the LED lights in the front as well, 3 on each side, super clean there. We opted to do the grille in satin pearl white, but leave the chrome in the middle of it just to get that nicer, elegant look in the front. Obviously, we could paint this easily. That would have been a pretty cool look as well, but we wanted to tie in the lip of the wheels as well. So this is what ties that in. Black and satin pearl white, hand painted Rolls Royce emblems, painted Spirit of Ecstasy in satin pearl white as well. Like I said, we wanted to do the right mixture of white and black badge and chrome. And I think this is a really clean example of that. Looks incredible. And then the interior, it goes with the outside of the car, meaning it has a white and black interior. With obviously hints of chrome from Rolls Royce. So literally this all matches the exterior, which is always fun to do, and it looks incredible. So this is a beast of a car. It's gigantic. Look at this lip right here. My whole hand fits in there. And as you can see, the stance, once again, barely could fit my hand in there. It's on low mode right here. So you got the rear end as well with the black badge carbon spoiler, diffuser. Again, everything wrapped satin pearl white. So if you want to get it done right and be creative about it, do something unique, not copy another person, you know where to find us. RDB LA on Sunset Boulevard. So, if you guys have been following the channel, we did a Mansory Cullinan recently. That was a big success, and we have 3 more Mansory Cullinans in progress. We have 2 kits here actually, which is hard to come by, and we have 1 more kit arriving next week. All 3 cars are here, 1 black one, 1 Tempest gray, and 1 white one. They're all going to be in this forged carbon material, as you see here. So, pretty cool. More stuff's arriving. It just doesn't fit in the delivery truck. But this is the exhaust in here. This is the hood. And obviously the rest of the kit is coming. So a lot of Mansory builds. We're just finishing up the 1016 wide body Cullinan right now too. So a lot going on here already.
This yours has 35,000 miles. Check engine light came on, so this car just got towed here. It shows that we have a cylinder number 5 and 6 misfire. We're going to see what it could be. It could be many, many, many things. but customer is hoping that it's nothing really serious, meaning any internal engine damage or failure. So we're gonna do our inspections now and see what's going on. Stay tuned for this one. Okay, we get it. Alright.
For a URUS SE Widebody project. Beautiful steering wheel. Obviously you see the orange because it has orange and black interior, but this is going to look incredible on it, and all carbon obviously, which factory doesn't come with carbon steering wheels, so this is going to be nice. Now let's store it.
I lift the wheel. Can you flip the box over? I'll lift the wheel. Okay. I want you to flip the box over so I can put this on the back. You want to take a picture? I can't take a picture like this. Where are these for? G-Wagon. Ah, my fucking hell, my shoulder. Will it stay? Nice. Be careful with the hood. It was a very stupid idea.
Este es como cuando montamos los coches allá en el terreno. Aquí, ajá.
Carnicería.
Aquí chorizos,
Ranchera
aquí
preparada.
ranchera, aquí carne para preparar, pollos aquí colgados, pollos y en esta parte el puerco, pork, pig.
Pierna, lomo, cabeza, panza.
Y panza.
Ajá, mira. Ya lo voy alcanzando.
Ya.
Ya.
Este va donde
Este es pupusas.
no, alguien dijo ahí que dieran algo de healthy al risk, que no sé qué madre. Entonces dije yo, me voy a poner las pilas y I'm gonna losing weight. So I'm losing weight. No sé quién fue el que lo dijo, ahora no sé.
La panza es money. You know, pupusas, tacos, quesadillas.
Yeah.
It's money, it's money.
¡Ey, cállese!
Sí.
Pues, todo tenemos ahora para que él tenga ahora como no excuses. No excuses. Oh, no space. Aquí tiene a lot of space. This one takes long time to order.
Yeah.
So yeah. So now we're gonna check how it works. If it's helping, we order another one.
We have this beautiful SL500 here. You guys are fucking tired.
Tuesday too.
Yeah, I need to hit the lottery quickly. Okay, we have a SL500 here. Let's walk you through it. Let's see if you guys see a difference. We're gonna show you two different angles of this car. Left front, and I'm gonna show you the right front, and see if you guys see anything wrong on any of these sides. Comments below. All right, so there you go. It's enough time for you guys to figure out what's wrong with this car. It's here for that, and let's see. Who knows what's going on with this car? That's it. Other than that, it'll be done probably in a few hours and back to the client's house tomorrow. We have this Bentley Bentayga here. So this car, we did new tires, did a lot of work, a lot of mechanical work as well on this car. We're at the last phase of finishing it up, giving it back to the customer. So, trunk does not open, it keeps getting stuck, as you guys see. There's electrical, this is an electrical part. This part is not working correctly on this car. There's a malfunction, it's defective. Maybe not defective, but it's also probably bad already. So, it's got some miles on it, but no big deal. I got the new part from Bentley, and we're about to put it in and test it, make sure it's okay. Wash this car, get it back to the customer.